Moi kaikille. Hi everyone. Tänään opimme Verbityypit 5 ja 6. Today we are going to learn verb types 5 and 6. Verb type 6 is very rare and normally we don't use in our day-to-day life. Let's get started. If the basic form or perusmuoto ends in the vowel I, that means English letter I, and they are or they are, those verbs comes under verb type 5. Let's look at some examples. Harkita, to consider. Valita, to choose. Hairita, to disturb. Ansaita, to earn. Mainita, to mention. Tarvita, to need. Let's look at the conjugation of verb type 5. From the perusmuoto or basic form, we remove te are or te are, and then we add te as a to the remaining stem. Then we add the personal endings to that. Let's look at this example. Tarvita, to need. First, we remove the te a from tarvita. Then it becomes tarvi. Then we add te as a. After that, it becomes tarvitse. Then we add the personal endings. You know the personal endings for mina, sina, han, me, te, he. So if we add the personal ending for mina, it comes as tarvitsen. For sina, tarvitset. Han, tarvitse. Me, tarvitsemme. Te, tarvitsette. He, tarvitsevat. And the good news is verb type 5 doesn't have KPT gradation or kopete vahitalu. Now, let's look at verb type 6. As I told you earlier, it is very rare in our day-to-day life. If the basic form or perusmuoto ends in the vowel English letter E and they are or they are, it comes under verb type 6. Let's look at some examples. Kylmätä, to get cold. Pidetä, to get longer. Lyhetä, to get shorter. Lämmetä, to get warmer. Paeta, to escape. Vaeta, to fall silent. Let's study how we conjugate the verb type 6. As for verb type 5, we remove the they are or they are from the basic form, and then we add an a or English letter ne. After that, we add the personal ending. So let's look at this example. Vanheta, to grow old. First, we remove the te are from vanheta, then it becomes vanhe. Then we add an a or English letter ne. Then it becomes vanhene. After that, we add the personal ending an. Vanhenen, vanhenet. Han, vanhene. Me, vanhenemme. Te, vanhenette. He, vanhenevat. Verb type 6 has KPT gradation or kopete vahitalu. In verb type 6, the perusmuoto or the basic form is weak, heiko. All the other forms are strong, vahva. If we take the example Vaeta to fall silent, Minä vaikenen, sinä vaikenet, hän vaikenee, me vaikenemme, te vaikenette, he vaikenevat. That's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Nähdään.